Gentlemen, good afternoon. Thank you for all the patience. Thank you for all the payments. Thank you for all the participation. We are going to go ahead and go live for the mini, for the ASM 300. All right, gentlemen, here we go. We are live. Okay. We have a local time of here at 102. 102, excuse me. Oh, hiccups just hit. And 102, we have our 60 names on the list. Top spot takes the first prize, spot 30 takes the second prize, and spot 60 takes the third prize of our spot giveaway. Excuse me. And here we show spot 1, 2, and 3. Okay, first, second, third. All right, so I showed you the time. We are all set to go. We are going to do a 3 dice roll. Okay, I have to re-roll these dice because 3 dice is not allowed. So we're going to re-roll the dice. We cannot have a multiple 3 ones. It can't be snake eyes or 3 ones. All right, guys, here we go. 9. Excuse me. We're going to start this 9. First round. 2. All right. Here we go. First place, David Drown. David Drown gets 9 spots. Second place, David Drown. David Drown gets the next spots. And excuse me, third place is Bradley Law. All right, so we are all done here. I'm going to go ahead and open up our verification. It does show the same results. And we're going to go back. There's a time of 1:05 p.m., 1:05 p.m. Come back and this thing is 1:05. There we go. Okay, so we are done with the mini. Congratulations to the winner, and I will be posting the link immediately. Thanks a lot, guys.